Hi boys and girls, in this English video we are going to be working on beginning and ending sounds, and to warm up let's start by reading some sight words. So I'm going to hold the word up and then read the word with me. Here we go. A, go, if, see, I, the, in, to, you, and, on, he, for, or, do. Great, I hope you were able to read those with me and continue to look for those words when you're reading stories. Okay, so let me share my screen and we're going to work on figuring out the beginning sound and ending sound to a word. Here we go. So the middle sound is already given to us. What letter do you see in the middle? Tell me. E, and what sound does E make? Eh, eh, eh. Great, so this is a picture of a web. So let's say web really slowly. Web. Okay, and we have the E, and now we need to figure out the beginning and the ending sound. So I want you to tell someone near you, what letters do you think are going to go at the beginning and the end? What two letters are we missing in our word? Tell someone near you. Now tell me. Okay, what was the beginning letter in web? Web. What's the beginning letter? W. Great. And what is the ending letter? Web. B. Great. If you said W and B were our missing letters, give yourself a pat on the back. Great job. Here's our next one. This is a wig. So our middle letter, I, is already given to us. What is the beginning sound that we hear in wig? Wig. Tell someone near you. Tell me. W. So my beginning sound is going to be a W. And what's the ending sound that you hear in wig? Tell someone. Tell me. G. Great. If this is really easy for you, great job. You are being a great speller. Let's look at our next one. This is a fan. I want you to tell someone near you, what letters are we missing? Now tell me. What letters? If you said F at the beginning for fan, and N at the end, fan, then you got it right. Great job. Let's do this next one. What is this a picture of? Can you tell me? Gum. Okay, and we have our middle sound. What is our middle sound? Gum. What two letters are missing? Tell someone near you. Tell me. Okay, what's the beginning? G, G, G. G. And what's at the end? M. If you said this, great job. Gum. Okay, boys and girls, we just figured out the beginning and ending sound to these words. Nice job. Let me show you your workbook page that you'll be doing. This is what it looks like. And you're going to do the same exact thing. So they have gum on here like we just did. G-U-M. Okay, and they also have bat. Say bat. 6. Mop. 10. and wig. So fill these beginning and ending sounds out with the correct letter, take a picture of it, and then send it to me. So use your knowledge of your letter sounds to complete the words and fill out the beginning sound and ending sound for each word. Take a picture of your work and send it to me. Thank you.